Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best saw blades for table saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Luckyway 10-inch table saw blade. If you're on the hunt for reliable and versatile saw blades, the Luckyway miter/table saw blades 2-pack 10-inch are an excellent choice. These blades feature a 32T and 60T design, perfect for tackling softwood, hardwood, and more. The hardened steel body resists bending, while tungsten carbide teeth offer superior wear and heat resistance. Their ATB tooth design guarantees smoother cuts with less spluttering. With a positive cutting angle, you'll enjoy efficient chip removal. Users rave about the clean cuts and lasting sharpness, making them a cost-effective alternative to pricier options. Plus, delivery and customer service get high marks. Moving on, at number 4, we have the DEWALT 10-inch table saw blade. The DEWALT 10-inch table saw blade with 80 teeth is perfect for anyone seeking precision and quality in their woodworking projects. You'll appreciate its ultra-sharp carbide that guarantees clean cuts, especially on plywood and delicate materials like maple veneer. Thanks to its patented body slot design, you'll experience low vibration and increased accuracy. Users rave about its ability to achieve flawless cuts with minimal tear-out, making it ideal for finish work. Although some find its durability lacking on tough materials, many agree it offers excellent value, outperforming pricier brands like Diablo. It's a solid choice for precise, clean cuts. At number 3, we have the amazing 2-pack 10-inch 40T and 60T circular saw blades. Ideal for both professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts, amazing circular saw blades offer exceptional performance with their 10-inch size and tungsten carbide tip. This 2-pack includes 40T and 60T blades, perfect for a variety of cutting tasks. The Precision ATB design minimizes splintering, ensuring clean cuts on materials like softwood, hardwood, plywood, and even wood with nails. With an arbor size of 5/8 inch and a max RPM of 6,000, these blades fit standard miter and table saws. You'll appreciate the silicone edge guards and the heat-dissipating extension slots, making them a reliable, affordable choice for woodworking projects. At number 2, we have the 10-inch 80-tooth fine finish circular saw blade. The 10-inch 80-tooth fine finish circular saw blade stands out as the ideal choice for those seeking precision in woodworking projects. With its premium alloy steel construction and hardened tungsten carbide teeth, you're guaranteed durability and efficiency. The ATB tooth design guarantees smooth, fast, and accurate cuts, perfect for both hard and soft woods. Despite some reports of slower cutting speeds, users praise its clean cuts and versatility across materials like plywood and MDF. Compatible with various saws, it's a reliable addition to your toolkit. Just beware of occasional quality control issues, like damaged blades upon arrival. And finally, at number 1, we have the FOXBC 8 Carbide Stacking Dado Blade Set for SawStop. For DIY enthusiasts and light professional users seeking versatility and precision, the FOXBC 8 Carbide Stacking Dado Blade Set stands out as an ideal choice. You'll find it compatible with most 10-inch table saws, featuring 2 8-inch outer blades and 5 2-wing chippers. With 7 metal shims, you can make fine adjustments for dados from 1/4 to 13/16 inches in 1/16-inch increments. The carbide tooth blades guarantee smooth, flat bottom grooves. Keep in mind, achieving precise widths might require some shim experimentation. A sturdy carrying case keeps everything organized, while a handy chart simplifies width selection for your woodworking projects. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.